Thank you, ma'am. How high is this ride?
200 feet.
Oh, tallest one here, I think.
Yes, it is.
Oh, the rocket at Broadway at the beach. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. All right, we're gonna spin upside down. So, holy crap. Whoa, that was cool. Make sure my glasses are on tight. There we go. Whoa, that's cool. Oh gosh. Oh god. Whoa. Wow, that is cool. 200 feet tall. And do the spins, right? There's Broadway at the beach. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, flying like a rocket. This is a cool view too.
Beautiful.
Wow! Wow! Wow, there's the other rockets.
Oh, they're so sweaty.
Yeah. Wow! I flew out of my seat. Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! That is so cool.
Oh, another one.
Oh, triple flip, 0G.
Oh my gosh.
This is so pretty out here. Wow, look at them rockets. And the rockets, red glare, oh my gosh, Rexstick's in the air. That is fun. Whoa! This is a fun ride.
I'm so scared though.
Oh, this is straight fun. It's not scary. Oh god, here we go again. Oh, keep your feet back. That cable cut your feet in half. Whoa. That is awesome.
Oh my god, my hands.
My hands are sticky. That's an awesome ride.
Oh, another
Oh god, another one. Oh!
Oh, do another spin.
Yay! Did anybody on this ride like this ride? Yay! The carnival Ferris wheel. It's called Rocket. Not the Rocket, just Rocket. Make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe and go ride this sometime. Pull your feet back. Oh, feet up. Feet up. I don't want my legs broke, that's for sure. All right. Rocket. I'm riding that again later. Have to.